This is, I guess, a silly video. This is my first order from Shein. I think that's the way you say it. I don't know why I'm so far behind in the times. I've ordered from Wish. I've ordered from Temu. So I don't know why it's taking me this long, or Temu, or however you say it, to order from this company. I know a million people order from it. So I don't know. It's just like another Wish to me as far as I'm concerned. But I just want to show you guys what I got and just even see what the quality is. All right, so we've got a packing list, I guess, and return process in case I need to return stuff. Would you even return anything? It costs a penny for everything. All right, what did I get? Oh, I forgot what I got actually, because I just got some, silly stuff just to place an order, right? This is a bubble gun for my granddaughter. I told my son that I had ordered this for her, and he was like, oh, she was really hype about one of those, so I can't wait for her to get it. I'm like, I don't know what to expect. I got it from Shein or whatever, Shein or whatever, so don't get too hyped up just yet. So maybe I'll post a video of how this actually works. But it's one of those bubble guns that just shoots a million bubbles at a time, and my granddaughter is really into that, obviously, like most children. Then I got, I think, a bunch of earrings because I love earrings. And so, oh, what's this? I guess I got a ring. All right. So I'm a button earring girl, so I like big round earrings. So I ordered some of those. These came with the thing at the very top. Usually what I do, I think this was like $1.89 for the whole pack of, what's that? Four pairs of earrings. Sorry, I got a little distracted by where the earring placement is. Usually I remove this and put it towards the center every time I get a pair of earrings, because usually they're not in the center unless they are smaller earrings. For instance, yes, these are smaller, so this is in the center. I like my earrings, I'm very anal. I like my earrings to be very centered. So let's see if this is even possible with these. Looks like I will have to just completely take it off. So now I can tell why it was so cheap, because this is basically just cardboard back here. I can just take this completely off and glue my own inserts right in the center. I actually keep a lot of the earring posts because I make a lot of earrings. So I'll just completely take that off, cut that off, and then put it in the center, and I'll be able to use them. They're pretty cute though. For I don't even know how much they were. Like, let's see if my packing list has it. No, they just have a description of what I got. I think they were like $2 for the whole pack of 4 earrings. Then I got this pair. I have this pair in orange, yellow, white, black. Do I have a green pair? I actually love these. I love the way they feel on my ear. And I mean, I'm saying that, but I've gotten the other colors from Wish and Temu or whatever you call that. And then I've not been able to find a red pair, so I said, oh no, look, they have the red pair, so let me get the red pair. So now everybody's probably like, Ingrid's always wearing the same freaking earrings. All right, so this is a ring. I just got it because I like that, what's that thing called? Turquoise, what's the word I'm looking for? I can't remember, but I like the design and I like the color. What the heck is that called? Anyway, I got this ring because I like the design. It's very pretty. It looks sort of opalescent or whatever. It's a very cheap ring. It'll probably break in a day or two. I think it was like $1 or something. Oh, I forgot I got these. I think that's it. Oh no, I got something else in the back. One more thing in the back. I believe one more thing. All right. I also got these earbuds. I love wireless earbuds. I have 1, 2, 3 pairs of wireless earbuds, and then I have a headband with the earbuds in it. Don't ask me why I got another pair. I don't know, I guess maybe I just was on to see if it actually worked, and it was very cute on the site. So I don't know, we'll see. Usually they're too big for my ear hole is very small, so I have to struggle. I even replace the you know how they usually send the inner earpiece part, they send different sizes. I usually have to put the smallest one in there, and sometimes then it falls out. So I there's no happy medium. But I want to see if these work, and I will let you guys know if they work and how they work. It's not magic, right? They're wireless earbuds, so they should work. I remember when they were buying wireless earbuds were, you know, very expensive because they were brand new as usual. And then the last thing I got is another pair of button earrings. And the posts are very crooked on here, and that has happened with my Temu and Wish shipments as well. But if when I go to straighten them out, they break, which they have, I will just apply a new post to it for the price. I think this was like 89 cents, but I needed a blue pair that would go well with like my jeans and stuff. And then the last thing in the package, I guess, is this Shein informational packet. I don't know if I'll order from them again. I don't know. I have ordered from Temu a couple times, but I'll usually only order like earrings, you know, because they're cheap. And I love them, and I have a huge collection. I'm addicted. But because this time I bought some items that require proof that they actually work for me, I probably will come back and let you guys know if they worked. I'm sure this didn't come pre-charged, so I can't possibly let you know immediately. But I will let you guys know. Yeah, so I know I'm out of touch and late with my Shein unbagging since literally everyone buys from them. So anyway, that's it for my little unboxing / unbagging from this very inexpensive company, which basically I would just be buying little jewelry because I'm addicted. All right, guys, I will talk to you guys on the next one.